Hello students, welcome back to Zuzu All-in-One channel. Today I am going to start with Standard 9 Mathematics Part 1 Algebra. We are going to start with second term portion first because as it is the second term has started, and we are going to start with lesson number 5 Linear Equations in Two Variables. So let us start with practice set 5.1. The first question is, by using variables x and y form any 5 linear equations in two variables. So you know that you have x variable and y variable. Okay, so I can write x plus y is equals to 14, or 2x plus 3y is equals to 5, or x minus y is equals to 10, or 2x minus 4y is equals to 15, or 3x minus 4y is equals to, let us say, 12. All these are linear equations. You can see everyone has x and y variables. Okay, the second question is, write 5 solutions of equation x plus y is equals to 7. Now remember, when you add both these variables, the total should be 7. So what should be the solution? Let us say 6 and 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Second, I am taking minus 2 and 9. So 9 minus 2 is again 7. Then 10 and minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is again 7. Now remember, you have to, the answer should be plus 7. Okay. Then 4 comma 3. Again 4 plus 3 is 7. You can also write 3, 4 or any other form whose total is 7. Okay, coming to question number 3, solve the following simultaneous equation. Now this is very important question. We have to understand how to solve it. So this is the first question, x plus y is equals to 4 and 2x minus 5y is equals to 11. So first thing what we are going to do is, we are going to give numbers to the equation. That is the first thing that you have to do. So x plus y is equals to 4, we'll mark it as equation 1. And 2x minus 5y is equals to 1, we are going to mark it as equation 2. Now first thing we have to see whether the variables x and x, y and y, is there anything common? No. So what I will do, I'll multiply equation 1 by now 2 or 5. Now we'll take the least number, that is 2. So I'll get 2x plus 2y is equals to 8. Why? I have multiplied the equation 1 by 2. So now I am marking it as 3. Now I can compare 2 and 3. So I find the x variables common, that is 2x. So now both are positive. So I am going to do subtraction. So you can write subtracting equation 1 by 3. So you write equation 3 first, 2x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 2x minus 5y is equals to 1. Now when you are carrying out subtraction, you need to change the signs. Okay. So 8 minus 1 becomes 7, 5 plus 2 becomes 7y, and 2 and 2 variable gets cancelled. So I am getting y is equal to 7 upon 7, 7 ones are 7 ones are. Therefore, I get y is equals to 1. I am going to put it into the box. Now I have to substitute the value of y in equation 1. Now you can again substitute in any of the equations 1 or 2. I am substituting it in 1. First equation was x plus y is equals to 4. So instead of y, I am going to put 1. So x plus 1 is equals to 4. So x will be 4. Now this 1 goes there, so it becomes minus 1. So x becomes 3. Okay. So I got both the values. So now I have to write the answer x comma y. So I'll always write the x value first, that is 3, and then the y value, that is 1. So my answer is 3 comma 1. Okay, the second question is 2x plus y is equals to 5, 3x minus y is equals to 5. So again, the first thing what we are going to do is 2x plus y is equals to 5, mark it as equation 1. 3x minus y is equals to 5, mark it as equation 2. Second step, see what is common in both of them. Yes, y variable is common, I can see here. Yes, Nothing is there means 1 is there, so 1y is common. So what do I do now? So I can add, because this signs are also different, so adding equations 1 and 2. So I get 2x plus y is equals to 5 and 3x minus y is equals to 5. So 2 plus 5x 3 is 5x, y gets cancelled, 5 plus 5 is 10. So x will be 10 upon 5, 5 ones are 5 twos are, so I got my x variable as 2. I am putting it in the box. Now I am substituting x is equals to 2 in equation 1. Again I am repeating, you can put it in equation 2 also, but I am selecting 1. This is equation 1. Now instead of x I have to put 2. So 2 twos are 4, 4 plus y is equals to 5. So y will be 5, this 4 comes this side, so it becomes minus 4. So y will be 1. So here comes my answer, x comma y. Again you have to write always the x variable first, that is 2 comma 1. Okay, the third equation is 3x minus 5y is equals to 16 and x minus 3y is equals to 8. Again the first thing that I am going to do is numbering of the equation. I am going to put it as 1 and x minus 3y is equals to 8 as 2. Now again compare three x variables and y variables. I can see nothing is common, so I am multiplying equation 2 by 3. Okay, so what do I get? 3x minus 9y is equals to 24. So now I am marking it as third equation. Now I compare 1 and 3. I can see 3 variable is common, yes, so and both are addition and I have to eliminate it. Okay, this method is called as elimination. So subtracting equation 1 from 3. So I'll write equation 3 first. 3x minus 9y is equals to 24 and 3x minus 5y is equals to 16. I need to change the signs. So 3x gets cancelled. 24 minus 16 is 8 and 9 minus 5 is 4y. So I get minus bade number की sign. So y will be 8 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So y I get it as minus 2. I am putting it in the box. Now I am going to substitute y is equals to minus 2 again in equation 2. I'll take this time. Chalo. So what is my equation 2? X minus 3y is equals to 8. So x minus 3, y की जगह minus 2 is equals to 8. Minus minus gets cancelled in multiplication. 2 3s are 6. Okay. So x will be 8 and this plus 6 becomes minus 6. So s becomes 2. So I am putting that also in an equation in the box. So finally I got both the variables. So I'll write it 2 comma minus 2, always first. Okay, now coming to the fourth question, 2y minus x is equals to 0 and 10x plus 15y is equals to 105. Now you can see 2y, y variable is first given, so we'll rearrange the sum. We will write it minus x plus 2y is equals to 0. Always write the x variable first and then mark it as 1. And second is 10x plus 15y is equals to 105, marking it as 2. Okay. Now यहाँ पे सारे numbers बड़े हैं, so I'm going to carry out division and I can see all are multiples of 5. So I'm dividing equation 2 by 5. So what do I get? 10x upon 5 plus 15y upon 5. Remember, all terms I have to divide by 5. Okay. So 5 ones are 5 twos are, I get 2x here. 5 ones are 5 threes are, I get 3y here. And 5 ones are 5 twos are 10 and ones are 21. So I get my third equation here. Now I compare the first and the third. Anything in common? No. So what I'll do? I'll multiply equation 1 by 2. So what do I get? Minus 2x plus 4y is equals to 0. As we know, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Now again I check 3 and 4. Now minus 2 and plus 2. Signs are different, so I'll carry out addition. Adding equations 3 and 4. So what do I get? What is my equation 3? 2x plus 3y is equals to 21 and minus 2x plus 4y is equals to 0. Here I can see I am getting rid of or eliminating 2x. So 3 plus 4 is 7y is equals to 21. So y will be 21 upon 7. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So I got the y variable as 3. Now I am substituting y is equals to 3 in equation 1. What was my equation 1? Minus x plus 2y is equals to 0. So minus x plus 2 into 3 is equals to 0. So minus x plus 6 is equals to 0. So minus x is equals to, this will go here, it becomes minus 6, minus minus sign gets cancelled, so x is equals to 6. So my answer is x comma y is equals to 6 comma 3. Remember, always x variable first. On to the fifth sum, it's 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0 and x minus 5y is equals to 11. So again, first thing what we have to do is, we have to mark the equations. 2x plus 3y. Now students, here you have to take in 4 that side, so it becomes minus 4. I am marking it as 1. And x minus 5y is equals to 11. I am marking it as 2. Now students, I am going to carry out substitution method for this sum. So what is this method? This is different from the methods that we were doing in the earlier sums. Okay. So here what I am going to do is, I am going to take this x, no number is here. So x is equals to 11 and this was minus 5, it goes this side of the equation, so it becomes plus 5. Now I am marking it as equation 3. Now I am going to substitute the value of x in equation 1. Okay. So what was my equation 1? 2x plus 3y is equals to minus 4. Now instead of x, I am going to write 11 plus 5y plus 3y is equals to minus 4. So 2 11s are 22, 2 5s are 10y plus 3y is equals to minus 4. 10 plus 3 is 13y minus 4 and this 2 comes here, so it becomes minus 22. So 13y becomes minus 26. Because minus minus you have to add, but you have to write the minus sign. Y is equals to minus 26 upon 13. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. So finally students, I got y is equals to minus 2. I am putting it in the box. Now I am substituting value of 2 in equation 3. Y is equal to 2 in equation 3. Now what was my equation 3? X is equal to 11 plus 5y. So x is equals to 11 plus 5 into minus 2. So x will be 11 minus 10. So x will be 1. So I hope you liked this method. It was easy method. Again, always the y term first, x term first, that is 1, and y was minus 2. Okay students, last sum of the practice set, that is the sixth one. 2x minus 7y is equals to 7 and 3x plus y is equals to 22. So first thing what you have to do, you have to number it. So I am marking it as equation 1 and 3x plus y is equals to 22, marking it as 2. Again I have y alone, so I am going to carry out substitution method. So I will rearrange this equation for y term. So y is equals to 22 and this 3 comes this side, so it becomes minus 3 and I am marking it as equation 3. Now I am substituting value of y in equation 1. So what was my equation 1? 2x minus 7y is equals to 7. So 2x minus 7, instead of y what I have to write? 22 minus 3x is equals to 7. So 2x, 7 into 22 gives me 154. Minus minus becomes plus, 7 3s are 21x is equals to 7. Now 21x and 2x are common terms, so I'll write it together. And 7, this goes here, so it becomes plus 154. So 21 plus 2 is 23x. 7 plus 154 is 161. So x will be 161 upon 23. 23 ones are 23, 7s are. So here you can see, students, I got value of x as 7. I am putting it in the box. Now I am substituting x is equals to 7 in equation 3. Now what was my equation 3? Y is equal to 22 minus 3x. So y will be 22 minus 3 into 7. So y will be 22 minus 21. We know 3 7s is 21. So y is 1. So I got y also. So finally I got the answer x comma y. Always x term first, that is 7 comma 1. Thank you for watching. Do comment in the comment box if you have any doubts. I'll try to clear it out in my next session. Thank you.